Hi, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send photos in Google Messages. So, I just want you to make sure that you have the last updates of your Google Messages by going into the App Store or the Play Store. It depends on which phone you have. So, from here, you can make sure that you have the last updates. If not, you can just tap on update and make your app updated. And that's because I want you to follow my step by step without any mistake or any difference. Anyways, after that, I want you to get through your app, Google Messages, and right here, let's consider that this is the conversation that I want to send the photo to. So by tapping on it, you will get through it, and below you can see there are some tools that you can use. Either you can type a text message or use an emoji, and also you can send audio, etc. So from here you can see this tool that you can that will allow you to send a picture and also to take an instantly photo, and also you can go through this plus icon and tap on it, and right here you will see the gallery option. So by tapping on gallery option right here, you will have the camera option that you can take a photo and send it, and also sorry, you can send the photo just by tapping on it, and you can send that photo directly to your contacts. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.